Tricks to a sharper memory. Drink coffee. Trying to learn something complicated? Drink coffee while you memorize it, then imagine the smell of the coffee when trying to remember it. Linking the memory with a particular smell makes it easier to recall. Forgot why you went upstairs? It's easy to get distracted, so take a moment to visualize what you're going for before you set off. It should help hold the thought in your head. If it doesn't, returning to your starting room should help trigger the visual memory. Snack on walnuts. They're high in omega-3s, healthy fats thought to boost signaling between nerve cells in the brain, improving concentration and memory. U.S. research suggests eating them can help improve cognitive function in adults. Sniff rosemary. The herb has a reputation for boosting concentration and memory, even Shakespeare wrote, "There's rosemary, that's for remembrance." Recent research backs this up. In a Northumbria University study, the memories of people aged 65 and over were tested in unscented rooms in rooms scented with rosemary and lavender oils. Those in the rosemary-scented rooms scored 15% higher on memory tests than those in the unscented rooms. Those in the lavender-scented rooms saw a decrease in their ability to remember to do something at a certain time. Floss every day. Brush twice a day to beat gum disease. People who have it score lower in memory tests. It's thought infected gums release inflammatory byproducts into the bloodstream, which travel to the areas of the brain involved in memory. Don't fancy intense exercise? When walking, simply up your pace for 5 minutes, every 5 minutes. This should raise your heart rate and leave you feeling slightly breathless. Get sweaty. Regular aerobic activity is good for general brain health, but up the intensity to supercharge your memory. A new study published in the journal Applied Physiology, Nutrition and Metabolism found that participants aged 60 to 88 who followed a high-intensity interval training (HIIT) workout, with short bursts of raised heart rate, improved their memory by 30%. Long number to remember? Try chunking. Dividing a long number into groups of 3 helps the brain process it. Switch off the TV. People watching TV for 7 hours a day have twice as many memory problems as those watching less. Pick up a book. Reading every day can keep the brain young. With every page, the brain is working to retain more information, providing mental exercise. Always losing your keys? Put them in a special place, such as a hook or bowl. Having a good memory is often about developing good habits. Have fish for breakfast. The oily fish contains plenty of brain-boosting nutrients, including omega-3 and B vitamins, which have been shown to help protect our brain as we age and support good memory function. Do a crossword. Research shows that regularly solving puzzles, including number-based ones, such as Sudoku, enhances mental ability. This sort of brain training improved reasoning and memory function. Mix it up. Doing things differently can boost brain function. Try brushing your teeth with the opposite hand or reciting the alphabet backwards. Check your blood pressure. If it's high, 140/90ths of a millimeter of mercury or above, it can narrow arteries, reducing blood flow to the brain and triggering forgetfulness. Talk to your GP about how to lower it. Drink peppermint tea. This brew helps improve alertness and long-term working memory, according to studies at Northumbria University's Department of Psychology.